Whether you have just started using Adagio BankRec or are adding a new bank to the list, you must create a new bank record for information and integration. To define a new bank in BankRec, go to the Edit menu and choose Banks. A unique code is required for each bank. Click the New button to start. Here is where you enter the code up to 6 characters and whether the bank is active. The rest of the screen has standard address and contact information. The Interface tab allows you to connect to this bank to Adagio receivables and payables. Select either or both as required, as long as you have first enabled the program information from the company profile. The ledger account for the bank must be set in BankRec on the Series tab. Therefore, clearing accounts are required to prevent double posting to the bank account in GL. Create a clearing account for receivables and payables, even one for each bank if desired. Then, on the Interface tab, set the respective clearing accounts. You must also assign the same clearing accounts for the ledger bank account in receivables on the control account set and in payables on the bank record. Additional settings are necessary for the payables bank integration because each code must be uniquely matched to the code in BankRec. Select the specific payables bank code here. Also, when performing a reconciliation for this bank in BankRec, you can choose to send the status changes to the check reconciliation function in payables to speed up this process. To use this bank in Adagio receivables batch entry, you must define it on a payment method. On the Series tab, enter the account number here. If this bank will be used for deposits, BankRec can generate a transaction reference value by date for daily deposits or by sequence number for irregular deposits. Define GL accounts for error amounts when reconciling a transaction as cleared with error, and also for the interest account. If you want to use the non-sufficient funds function in BankRec, enter the GL account and the amount that the bank charges you for processing an NSF. The opening balance, last statement balance, and last statement date are entered when creating a bank and will be inaccessible after posting the first reconciliation. The simple and fast way to set these amounts in order to sync with your bank statements is to enter opening and last statement balances as 0. Then, when you do your first bank reconciliation, enter and post a single batch entry for a miscellaneous payment or receipt for the amount of the difference, and have the distribution account as the bank account. This will update the new statement balance to your bank without generating any GL activity. If you require all the outstanding bank transactions to be in BankRec before your first reconciliation, this is more complicated. In this setup, enter the opening and last statement balances and date from your most recent bank statement. Then, enter or import your unreconciled receipts and payments into a BankRec batch and post. Finally, delete any batches that are retrieved into ledger, receivables, or payables as a result. Click OK to save your bank. It is easy to set up new banks that integrate efficiently with receivables, payables, and the ledger bank balance. For more information about Adagio Accounting, use these on-screen links or from the video description. Thanks for watching.